Welcome to your weekend goldmine. In this video, I will show you how to use Google AI mode to create passive audiobooks that can generate income across the USA. Imagine publishing an audiobook in just 2 days and watching royalties flow in from listeners all over the USA. That's the power of Google AI mode. Start by choosing your content, public domain classics, your own stories, or niche guides. Focus on topics that USA audiences love, like business, self-help, or lifestyle. Upload your text into Google AI mode. The AI instantly converts it into natural narration, saving you thousands in voiceover costs. This is where USA creators gain a huge edge. Polish the audio by adjusting pacing and tone. In under an hour, you will have a professional audiobook ready to publish, perfect for USA platforms like Audible. Publish your audiobook with USA-optimized keywords and descriptions. Once live, every listen generates royalties, building passive income while you sleep. That's how you turn one weekend into a USA passive income stream. Use Google AI mode, publish smart, and let your audiobooks work for you. Start today and unlock your weekend goldmine.